Hey everyone, Lance Finucci here at MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Here today to talk about the Grady-White Coastal Explorer 191. This boat is 19 feet 6 inches long, 8 feet 4 inches wide, has a Yamaha 150 on the back of it that pushes the boat to about 45 to 47 miles an hour, and it's got the award-winning CV2 hull. That hull guarantees you a nice, smooth, and steady ride. Let's climb aboard and take a look at some of the features of the boat. The 191 is the second and smaller of the two boats in the Coastal Explorer series. There's also the 251, which is this boat's big brother. What they did when they were making the Coastal Explorer series was they tried to go for the perfect combination of a fishing boat and a family fun boat. One of the first things you'll notice when you do climb aboard the back is you'll see the large fishing platform. What you can't see in this video right now is that there are cushions that go on the entire back of this boat that make it a large bench seat in the back for more seating for the family. There's also optional backrests that can go in, and they can also be two optional backrests in the front in the bow area that will make them the perfect seats for anyone you're taking along with you. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see exactly what you expect from Grady-White. Simple design and incredibly efficient. From the stainless steel steering wheel to all the gauges directly in front of you with the compass and the Yamaha computer. Also, taking a look at the helm seat, the backrest is removable. So when you're fishing, if you wanted a bench seat and two more rod holders, you can easily convert to that. Moving up to the bow of the boat, you'll see another large casting platform right in the front. Again, what you don't see in this video is there's also a large bow cushion that makes a sun deck in the front of the boat, and you could also put the two optional backrests in for more seating. You also have the seating right in the front of the helm that has an insulated cooler box below it. There is also an insulated cooler in the back of the boat that can be used as a live well. One of the other great features of the 191 is the large fish box in the front. It's an insulated cooler that actually has a couple sections for it, anchor locker, and also storage for dock lines or anything else you might need. Any way you look at it, the Grady-White 191 is a legendary boat like every single Grady made. Come on down to MarineMax in Gulf Shores, Alabama. Take a look at it. Again, my name is Lance Finucci, and you have a great day.